Conduct the carrot experiment. See whether or not a dog or a rabbit loves a carrot more. Here's a carrot. You see it? Alright, over here we have arrows. Arrows, my trick dog. Arrows, shake your hand. Shake, shake, shake. Sit down. Okay, nope. Okay, good boy. You want a carrot? You want a carrot? Yeah? Okay. Alright. So, Arrows likes it. Let's see what he does. No, not much interest. Let's go over here. Or maybe over here. To our friend, the rabbit. Oh, excuse me, Arrows. Your turn is over. No. Your turn is over. Our carrot. Wait. Arrows, it's not your turn. It's the rabbit's turn. Okay, I understand. All right. Wait. Hold on. Hold your horses. Okay. Oh, your turn's over. Let's see if the rabbit likes it more. All right. Where's my rabbit? There's a rabbit spotting in our house. And I don't know if he'll come out. Mr. Arrows will not. Where is he? Oh, he's not even here. Arrows! No! Okay, Mr. Rabbit's over here. Okay, come over here. Come here, Mr. Rabbit. Here you go. Here you go. Come here. Come here, Mr. Rabbit.